Hey everyone, if Star Citizen is stuck on the loading screen or not launching properly, then this video is going to show you the exact fixes that are working in 2026. Now, first of all, you need to verify the game files. The corrupted files are very common reason for the infinite loading. So in order to fix it, first of all, you need to launch your RSI launcher. In it, simply go to the settings. When you are inside the settings, you just have to look for the option of verify files. Now, after selecting this particular option, simply let the launcher scan and repair any of the missing or broken files. This particular process may take a few minutes, but it often fixes the loading issues instantly. Now, the old cache or the settings can also cause the loading problems. So you can go to the game install location and then you just have to simply find the Star Citizen. Inside Star Citizen, simply look for the option of live. After that, you need to look for the user folder. Now, you need to delete this user folder completely and then you can just simply see if the issue is resolved or if it is still there. Now, sometimes the issue is server related. So you can simply launch the game before entering and then you can change the region like you can change to Europe, US or Asia. You can try a different region and see if the game loads properly. Server load in 2026 can also affect the login issues. Now, network interference can block proper loading. So if you are using any of the VPNs, you just have to make sure that you turn them off while loading the game. Also, close the background applications like overlays, recording softwares or boosters. Then you can launch the game from the RSI launcher. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.